Hey guys, hold on. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today, we are playing, not that, Ultimate Driving Westover Islands, and I'm about to buy my dream car. It is the Mercedes, it's the Mercedes-Benz, yes guys, it's a Mercedes-Benz. I already own this Dodge Viper, which looks really cool. It pays more, goes faster. But I really love how Mercedes-Benzes look. They look really nice and they're luxurious and crap. So I'm heading over to the dealership that I'm closest to. It's worth like 136,000, but I have 138,000. I've been grinding this entire week to get it. Yeah. But yeah, so yeah, it's like time to get it now. So let's do one last burnout in this car, guys. I'm still going to use this car actually. Let's do some kind of donut, I guess. There we go. That's good. Okay. Oh well, hit my tire there. Good thing this game isn't that realistic. Okay, let's delete the car. Let's go into the dealership. Mercedes-Benz. I don't have enough for this or this. Bro, it looks wide body. Okay, so I'm going to get this. What color should I pick? What does white look like? Oh my gosh. Pink. Black. Oh. Okay. Toothpaste. Red. Oh, that's. I actually kind of like toothpaste. There's toothpaste. Is this it? Yeah. I like toothpaste. Okay, we only have $3,000 left. I almost said monies. Okay, whatever. Blinker, very tiny. Does it do burnouts? Yes, it does. Hooray. It doesn't. It does burnouts. It's not that good at donuts, though. Did I say it's good at doing donuts or burnouts? I can't remember. Okay, I feel like I have short-term memory loss right now. Oh, now it's doing donuts. It wasn't earlier, but yeah. So we are just doing some donuts right now, you know. Okay. Any cops? We're going to get pulled over, guys. That sounds really fun right now. Look how cool this car is. Looks. I meant, not is, okay? It's chill, it's cool, like, whatever. I'm really getting tongue twisted, okay? I always get tongue twisted in videos, but let's put cruise control on at 152 miles an hour. Can I go faster? Oh man, it's the top speed. No, I was at 100. Whoa, went to 155 just a second ago. Yeah. Oh my gosh! That guy was going so fast that he almost knocked me off the map. Why did I turn my turn signal on to go back into the right lane? Like, this is like oncoming traffic, and this is the way I'm. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am not really good, right? I'm getting so tongue twisted. Okay, don't judge me. I'm gonna see if I can get pulled over in the Mercedes, y'all. I might save up for a BMW next. Who knows? Vroom vroom, I'm racing. Should I put it in manual and do some revs? I think I will. Okay, so manual, clutch, cute. Okay. Ooh, okay, okay. I hate how. Well, this is more realistic. there's a clutch in this game. It's shift, so I need to press 2 buttons to shift. So, yeah, it's very hard. But easy at the same time, I don't know. Wait, is this literally like max? Okay. So you want proof that I have full control? I'm just changing it like crazy. Okay, we're back in 7th gear. In real life, I think that would ruin your gearbox really bad. Oh my gosh! That Koenigsegg 1-to-1 just passed me so fast. I like the Mercedes C63. I'm trying to make it to Westover. Let me get to Westover. Oh no! My cat is sleeping right next to me right now. How are you, Mimi? Oh, she's covering her eyes now. Like, it's cute. She like, when she's sleeping and then she hears something, sometimes she'll cover her eyes and it's super cute. Mimi, I love you. Whoa, my car looks green. My car is green. I'm joking. It's just the yellow lighting in there. Oh, I need to get onto Westover. Onto this Westover thingy majiggy. And I think I'm turning right. Yeah, I'm turning right. I'll get pulled over faster with my lights off. They're going to pull me over for no lights, and I'm probably going to be speeding for time. Oh, I forgot I'm in manual. Oh, well. Okay, there we go. So, where is a cop? I need to find a cop. They're usually always in Westover, because this is where most of the people hang out. Is that a cop? Yep. You know, because she has a blue name tag. I have a green name tag since I'm a civilian. I'm a citizen, not civilian. I'm dumb. Oh, I scared my cat when I went to pet her. Bro, Lambos and McLarens for life, bro. Bro, I want to drive that Lambo. I want to park up there next to that McLaren, but oh no, I crashed into the Lambo. Rest in peace, Lambo. Oh wow. Okay. Let's go ahead. Try to park. Why are my lights back on? Did I turn those back on? Ah! I don't want to ruin their lawn. I don't want them to get mad at me. Oh no. Those disappear in this game, so it's all good. Okay. Hello? Knocks, I guess. I'm going to roleplay and knock on the doors. That person's trying to arrest me. No! Oh, I scared my cat. Sorry, me. Oh, well, I guess I'll end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, by the way, do you like my Supreme shirt? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah. 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 Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Yeah.